Hey there, I'm Scott Thrasher. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you look around my channel, you'll notice I just have a few oddball things. A couple scuba diving videos I've done. I have a lot, I just haven't put a lot on YouTube. A couple motorcycle repair modification slideshows that I've done, and a little bit of woodwork. I do a lot of woodworking. I just haven't really done a lot of videos. This isn't something I'm normally very comfortable with, being in front of the camera. I have a lot of information on Instagram, post a lot of pictures of my builds, my woodworking stuff, and I'll put a link to my Instagram page in the bottom of that. If you'll notice behind me, right next to me, is my SUP paddleboard, wooden. This is a Jarvis Boards kit. I bought the wishbone system from them, and I sourced all my own lumber. The bottom lumber I sourced at Ganal Lumber. It didn't work very well for me. I was planning on resawing it, and I did not have the correct capacity, so I ended up wasting a lot of wood by just planing it down to the thickness I needed. A little learning curve there. Everything's been a learning curve. I've never built one of these before. The lumber I'm making for the skin, I have underneath here, and I'm getting ready to put that in. I got from a place called J&W Lumber down in Murrieta, California. Fantastic people. I drove about an hour down there. Normally you have to pre-order wood to be resawn. They helped me out as soon as I got there, resawed my wood for me. It was perfect. Great thickness, beautiful wood. I got to pick through the giant stacks that I needed. Also, I got a decent sized piece of yellow Alaskan cedar, 2x8 by 12 foot. I use that for some accent pieces you'll see on the top when I put the skin on. And basically, the reason I'm doing this video is I think there's some missing information when people build these, and there's different ways to do it. For example, my rails, I'm going to do a solid rail system. There's a solid rail system. There's a hybrid rail system that I saw a company outside of Australia doing those. And then there's a hollow rail system. A guy, silverpaddleboards.com, does a hollow rail system with a cove type rail. I'm going to go with solid this time. I'm going to go with balsa. We'll see how that works for me. I haven't ordered the balsa yet, but I'm getting close. I'm not going to do a lot of videos here. Maybe every week or two I'll update. A lot of the videos I do will be sped up because I don't know, it's kind of boring just sitting and watching somebody work on these in real time. If there's something I'm working on that I think is worth showing, a different technique, a way I'm doing it, and I'm not saying it's the right way, I'm just saying it's the way I'm doing it, I will put a real-time video up there. Please keep in mind, I am a woodworker. I'm not a professional woodworker. I have a full-time job. I've never built one of these before. My plan is to build 4 of these right now, one for each of my family members, including myself. And so far it's going pretty well. I enjoy doing this a lot. And if you'll see, my shop's a little busy back there. It's actually a very modular shop. Pretty much everything I have on here is on wheels. My wife parks the car right where I'm standing normally, and the nice thing is the table moves around nicely. It's got some old IKEA sawhorses underneath it, which are adjustable, which will be nice when I get ready to do final shaping, and I can just slide it out of the way when I'm done. That being said, welcome again to my channel, and I hope you can learn a little bit, and maybe you can teach me something if you see something I'm doing wrong or could be doing something different. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to post them either here on YouTube or on my Instagram channel, and I'll get back to you. Thanks a lot. Bye.